John Q here with a quickie. Now Joel Telling posted the file that he got from Siemens online to print. Of course his was in metal, but I don't have that, so I printed it in a gold PLA. Now the question he ran into, or the problem he ran into, was he G-maxed it and ran out of filament before he was done. And there's a simple solution to this. You may notice I've got a roll of, well, not unknown, but a filament that I don't know the empty weight of the spool. Now, if the manufacturers would provide what the empty spool weight was, it'd be easy. But they don't, so if you weigh it when it's brand new and full, just opened, this roll was 1,202 grams. Right now, it weighs 1,176 grams. So that means I have used 26 grams of this filament, which means that out of the 1,000 grams I started with, I should have 974 grams left. So the lesson is, when you get a new roll of filament and you don't know what the empty spool weight is, weigh it and write down on the reel what exactly the full weight was, so you'll know how much of the amount that was on the reel you've consumed, and can estimate whether you have enough filament available to finish the print job. What follows now is some screenshots of printing this ornament in different filaments that I have. Enjoy.